So we found the issue. It's a secondary air pump system, the system that in the morning makes sure that your oxygen sensors are all set up and ready to go. We had, this is a new part. As you can see, the pipes are nice and brand new, and this is the old part that was cracked open. In true Audi fashion, to get to the right location, we had to take the intake manifold out, dig the part out of the very back of the car, and then we're gonna put it back in place. This is why Audis are beautiful, but pain in the butt to work on, as we all know.